Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MG5720 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and you want to go and search for Canon PIXMA MG5720 and then type in support. Go ahead and search for that. And you want to go to the Canon.com website here. It says Canon support for PIXMA MG5720. Go ahead and open that up. And then we're going to go down to the software and driver section and then selecting the operating system and version if it is different than what is showing up here. You would then just go down to the following section and you would select the item in here that says the series drivers. So the MG5700 series MP drivers should say Windows. Go ahead and select download. Should begin the download process. And once it's done, go ahead and open that up and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You can close out of the web browser too if you want at this time. And then select next. Select your country, and then you want to agree to license terms and give us a moment to begin. And then you can either use a printer with a wireless LAN connection or use the printer via USB, whatever your preference is, and select next. And then you will have to follow the procedure you see on the screen here. But like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to proceed. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.